Good day everyone! So we're here, the Cali Real, one of historical heritage here in Iloilo City. And we're gonna discuss this, so stay tuned guys! Woo!
Cali Real, formerly named J.M. Basa Street, is one of the enduring symbols of Iloilo when the latter was a thriving business and cultural center outside of Manila during the Spanish colonial and American period.
In May 2006, together with the Iloilo City Cultural Heritage Conservative Council, Honorable by Jerry P. Trenya started the plan of preserving Cali Real, which was later approved. When he became a congressman, he continued his legacy to restore and promote Iloilo heritage sites. Through RA 10,555, the Halo Cathedral, Molo Church, Iloilo City Central Business District, Fort San Pedro Complex were declared as cultural heritage tourism zones.
Former Congressman Jerry Petrinias and the mayor today of this beloved city believes that these heritage sites significantly a rich culture as Ilonggos, so they must be preserved in order to pass on the cultural to the next generations to come.
Iloilo was even dubbed Queen City of the South, although that title now belongs to Cebu. Villa also said that Cali Real's formal declaration is the fitting tribute to the public partnership in reviving cultural awareness in enlivening Iloilo City.
For the past several years, Iloilo Cultural Heritage Foundation, INC, has been involved in the rotational of heritage building construction late in 19th century to early 20th century along Calle Real, which was known for the imperious containing fine products from Europe that line a street. The NHCB declaration is also expected to boost Calle Real pedestrian project, one of former Jerry P. Treñas, which is our mayor today. Priority project is anchored in the preservation of rich cultural heritage of Iloilo City by restoring heritage site, because this will tell the vibrant stories to the next generation to come.
Arts and culture performances are then staged to attract locals and visitors in appreciating Iloilo's cult history and heritage.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!